Suspended monorail trains in Japan are a fascinating and innovative mode of transportation that create the illusion of an upside-down train. Unlike traditional monorails, where the train cars sit atop the rail, these suspended versions move beneath the track, giving them a visually striking appearance. This unique design has gained popularity both as a practical urban transit solution and as an attraction on tourist routes. The primary advantage of suspended monorails is their efficient use of space, making them ideal for densely populated urban areas where land is scarce. The ability to construct tracks above roads or waterways without interfering with existing infrastructure makes them a highly adaptable transportation method. One of the most notable benefits of suspended monorails is their impressive speed and capacity. These trains can reach speeds between 60 and 80 kilometers per hour, while some high-speed models are capable of traveling up to 100 kilometers per hour. Their passenger capacity ranges from 100 to 300 people, depending on the train's length and design. Safety is also a major focus, especially given Japan's seismically active environment. Advanced vibration absorption technologies ensure that these trains remain stable and operational even during earthquakes. This makes them a reliable transportation option for daily commuters, as well as an attractive choice for expanding urban transit networks in cities with limited space for traditional rail systems. Aside from their functionality, suspended monorails also provide passengers with a unique experience. Large panoramic windows allow for breathtaking views of cityscapes, rivers, and natural landscapes, offering an enjoyable and relaxing journey. Furthermore, these trains are environmentally friendly since they operate without producing harmful emissions. Their fully electric operation significantly reduces carbon footprints, making them one of the most sustainable transportation options available today. As urban centers continue to grow, the development of more suspended monorail systems is expected to play a crucial role in enhancing mobility while maintaining environmental sustainability. The SH-60L is Japan's latest multi-purpose helicopter, engineered for a wide range of missions, including maritime patrol, anti-submarine warfare, search and rescue operations, and humanitarian efforts. This cutting-edge aircraft is actively deployed to protect Japan's maritime borders, prevent illegal activities, and assist vessels in distress. Additionally, it plays a crucial role in evacuating victims and delivering humanitarian aid in crisis situations. Manufactured by Mitsubishi Heavy Industries under a licensing agreement with the American company Sikorsky, the SH-60L is built with durability and reliability in mind. Equipped with two General Electric T700 turboshaft engines, the SH-60L boasts an impressive combination of power and efficiency. With a top speed of 270 kilometers per hour, a flight range of approximately 830 kilometers, and an autonomous flight duration of up to 4 hours, this helicopter is well suited for extended missions. It is also equipped with advanced armament, including anti-ship missiles, machine guns, and automatic cannons, making it a formidable aircraft for defensive operations. The SH-60L continues to be an integral part of Japan's defense and rescue capabilities, proving its versatility in both military and humanitarian scenarios. A major breakthrough in urban air mobility has been achieved with the development of the N542JX, an electric flying vehicle created by Joby Aviation in collaboration with Toyota. This revolutionary aircraft is designed to offer a high level of aerodynamic efficiency, reaching speeds of up to 320 kilometers per hour with a flight range of approximately 240 kilometers. As a fully electric vehicle, the N542JX operates without producing carbon dioxide emissions, making it an environmentally friendly alternative to traditional transportation methods. One of its most striking advantages is its exceptionally low noise level, which allows it to function in densely populated areas without causing disturbances. The N542JX is designed to redefine urban transportation by providing a fast and efficient way to travel across cities. With increasing congestion on roads, this vehicle could serve as a viable alternative to ground-based transportation, offering a smoother and more direct route between locations. As the world transitions toward sustainable mobility solutions, the N542JX represents a significant step forward in making air travel more accessible and practical for everyday use. Another innovative vehicle, the Concept Eye, is a futuristic transportation solution equipped with an advanced artificial intelligence system named UE. This AI is designed to learn and adapt to human-like traits from the driver, enhancing the overall driving experience. The Concept Eye features a sleek, minimalist interior, large glass surfaces, and gull-wing doors that add to its futuristic appeal. It is capable of accommodating up to 4 passengers, with technical data and multimedia information displayed on a large screen inside the cabin. Additionally, UE can interact with people outside the vehicle using light signals and text messages, making communication more intuitive and engaging. Japan is also revolutionizing cargo transportation with the development of the K-Racer X1, an unmanned vertical takeoff and landing VTOL aircraft designed by Kawasaki. This cutting-edge vehicle incorporates advanced technologies from multiple sectors of the company, making it a highly efficient solution for transporting goods in challenging environments. The K-Racer X1 is powered by a 1,000cc supercharged engine derived from the Ninja H2R motorcycle, delivering an impressive 310 horsepower. With a payload capacity of up to 100 kilograms, it is specifically designed to address logistical challenges in areas that are difficult to access, such as mountainous regions or disaster-stricken zones. Capable of covering distances of up to 100 kilometers at speeds of approximately 140 kilometers per hour, the K-Racer X1 offers a fast and efficient method of cargo delivery. In 2024, Kawasaki introduced an upgraded version, the K-Racer X2, featuring an increased rotor diameter and a payload capacity of up to 200 kilograms. This enhanced model further improves the aircraft's ability to transport goods over longer distances, making it an essential tool for emergency response and supply chain logistics. Flying taxis are becoming a reality as automotive and aerospace companies collaborate to develop next-generation transportation solutions. Hyundai, in partnership with Uber and the Japanese National Institute, has unveiled a concept for an air taxi system designed to revolutionize urban mobility. These futuristic vehicles will eliminate traffic congestion, reduce travel times, and provide an eco-friendly alternative to traditional taxis. The air taxi is designed with rotatable propeller motors that allow for vertical takeoff and then transition into horizontal flight. Capable of carrying up to 5 passengers, this vehicle can fly at an altitude of 600 meters at speeds of approximately 300 kilometers per hour. With a maximum range of 100 kilometers, it offers a practical solution for short-distance urban travel. Since it runs on electricity, it produces no harmful emissions, making it an environmentally friendly transportation alternative. As cities continue to seek sustainable mobility solutions, the introduction of air taxis could play a crucial role in reshaping the future of urban transportation. The Weeped Cyberfold is another groundbreaking innovation in electric mobility. Developed by Korean and Japanese engineers, this electric scooter combines advanced technology with a futuristic design. One of its standout features is its powerful dual motors, which deliver a combined peak power of 40,000 watts, enabling the Cyberfold to reach speeds exceeding 100 kilometers per hour. Its Samsung battery operates at 72 volts, with a capacity of 60 amp-hours, providing an impressive range of up to 150 kilometers on a single charge, making it ideal for long-distance travel. The Cyberfold's unique folding mechanism enhances its portability, allowing users to store it compactly when not in use. Additionally, an integrated cooling system ensures optimal motor performance even under heavy loads. Designed with premium materials, this scooter represents the next step in high-performance electric mobility, offering both speed and convenience in an eco-friendly package. Bell, a company well known for its aviation innovations, has introduced the Bell Nexus Air Taxi, an advanced vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) aircraft designed to transport passengers through congested urban areas. This cutting-edge vehicle is powered by a hybrid electric propulsion system, ensuring high efficiency while minimizing environmental impact. Capable of carrying up to 4 passengers and 1 pilot, the Bell Nexus offers a fast and convenient alternative to traditional ground transportation. Weighing 2,720 kilograms, it boasts a flight range of 240 kilometers, which it can cover in just 1 hour. Bell is actively collaborating with regulatory agencies and industry partners to integrate this air taxi into urban infrastructure, paving the way for a new era of aerial transportation. Which of these futuristic innovations impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Bio Info, and check out our previous content. See you in the next video.